Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY Amadiva, which is Lisa. We also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. The ladies' links will be down below. This week's theme for hashtag Two Crafters One Design. Our theme for this week is white with a pop of color. Next 2 weeks, we will be taking off and we will be returning on June 21st, and that theme will be Jaded Blossoms bees, the ones that they just came out with, or any kind of bee dye, but we will be using the Jaded Blossom bee dyes. So anyways, let's jump right in. So this week I am using these little gems that I got from Hobby Lobby. Stamp Market, I'm using their enamel dots, so I'm using some of this turquoise colors here and here as well. And these are from Stamp Market, if I didn't say that, and then these colors here. I'm using this friend die from Simon Says Stamp. Spellbinders, I'm using this bird. And those two items were items I hadn't used before, as well as this one. This one is Hope from Stamp Anything. I'm using this die here that I picked up from Simon Says Stamp, as well as this glimmer set, which is from Spellbinders. That's called All You Need Sentiments. I'm also using this U die. I don't think I've ever used this one before either. And then the rectangle frame dies here, which are from My Creative Time. And if you'd like to use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase or 15% off on release weekend. Here goes my initial card that I added that pop of color to, and my color was black that I wanted to add. So as you can tell, I used that background die. There goes that Thinking of You that's from that Spellbinders die, and that Spellbinders bird there, and the friend, which I really like, one of my favorite friend die, and some of those little diamond, the little gems I got from Hobby Lobby there. And then I was so inspired by that card that I created a few more, but these have pops of color. So this is probably my favorite here. This is You Are Such a Good Friend. Love that, love the colors of the gems there. And there goes the bird. And then here goes another one, which is blue. And I did this one very similar to that one, except for I just changed the colors up and used those gems again. That one's Sending Birthday Wishes, Friend. And here goes another teal color, or turquoise color rather. Thanks a Million, Friend. And I love that one too. Teal is pretty much my favorite color now. I do love green still though. And then here goes this one, which is Hope This Cheers You Up. Love the colors on this one as well. So those are my cards for today. White with a pop of color. And just keep in mind, we're taking off the next 2 weeks. When we come back, the theme will be bees. If you have the Jaded Blossoms bees that they recently released, join in with those. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.